Adjustable and non-adjustable pipe wrenches each serve unique purposes in the plumbing industry, and understanding their differences is crucial when selecting the right tool for specific tasks. Adjustable pipe wrenches offer flexibility in sizing, as the jaw width can be adjusted to fit various pipe diameters. This versatility makes them ideal for plumbers working with different pipe sizes, as the same wrench can be used for multiple tasks. Adjustable pipe wrenches typically feature a sliding mechanism that allows users to quickly modify the tool size. This feature is particularly useful when working in environments where pipes of various sizes are present. However, adjustable wrenches tend to have a more complex mechanism, which can wear out over time, reducing the tool's reliability. Additionally, they may not offer the same level of grip strength as fixed wrenches, especially when applied to larger or heavily corroded pipes. Non-adjustable pipe wrenches, on the other hand, are designed for specific pipe sizes. These wrenches offer a simple, robust design with fewer moving parts, which generally leads to greater durability and reliability. Because they are sized for a particular pipe diameter, non-adjustable wrenches provide a stronger and more secure grip, which is essential when dealing with high-torque applications or stubborn, rusted pipes. However, the main drawback is their limited versatility. For plumbers working with pipes of various sizes, using multiple non-adjustable wrenches can be cumbersome and time-consuming.